The National Neothrep People's Federation (NHPF), at a press conference held on the 4th of April 2023, informed on the organization's inspection and findings related to the inappropriate dumping and treatment of biomedical waste at the Maulai Marten on the Guwahati-Shillong Road. Speaking to media persons today, a member of the NHPF informed that as per reports to the RTI filed by the organization, it was revealed that the permission for disposal of biomedical waste had been granted by the Meghalaya Pollution Control Board and the Shillong Municipal Board. He further added that no documents to substantiate the installation and operation of the insulator for destroying such waste was provided by the concerned authorities of the municipal board. The NHPF also informed that while on their visit to the dumping ground at Marten Maulai, it was found that operators of the insulator had been on leave for many days, thereby leaving the hazardous waste lying on the ground for more than 48 hours, which is the time limit for such filth and waste to be disposed of. This has greatly affected not only the residents and workers of the area, but has posed a threat to the environment in general.
Kasorkar mangapor kajupen stom lese ya kirupan bab ni publik haba kifil kamtam ka municipal hiru ni kong la barong ki bahap po municipal area kaju pressure ya kibreu ya haba kimla ban penbiang ya ki kot kisla ki jingdon kam dan rai na ka office jong ka municipal hiru ngilap isyam ba ka penteri kam bean kumni kalong de ke besosi na kaseng jongi bat nga kenturu ki we ki para dekot jong ka jad bener ko jongi ki badon ka jingkit khia ki para samla into kimbut din lang ya kan ya kumba le seng ju ina kapor nginya teli lang ya ka banya chmat namar bale anom kumno fitri kamro ka ba ar kalong ba ngilap ngisyam dang ngilet ban inspect hate hapo marten hajaka jong bakile ek ka treatment plan mo ndang ngilet hate ngikli ki ngishwa ban pek kumno kalong kata karukom kata facilities mo karukom terkam joki ki ong yang iba kinong trero kisim syuti ki ba operate ya kata ka incinerator ta kata ka ko i ka ba ngisnoting so ma ba ngisothu ba nang tu kumno kan saphyang ya tu ka anglap on ketu ka ai mo jabo ka badai jong kan ka bio medical waste namar balai na kinong tre ki ba dei ban pet ya tu ka bangitip ba ki haban dispose within 48 hours mo kanom kinomlong ban bu tam ya kata namar balai kalong bi ketu ka mo medical da biomedical waste te hendrai da kita yo kita kinong try ba operate ya ketu ke incinerator kisim syuti kalong ka balengo te kemud kitu ki jabo kitu barok khoi kibi ngela bodong mo ngisuthu ba kisubu kumtu lane kisu bread kumtu te katno ka jingma kalong ba khamtam la slap ngili hang ni jaka jongi ka ba he slap ketu ka jabo barok khoi ketu ka bi ketu chino ta bakong sangkale hapo unyam bin mar balik ka peno student namar ngiu i ngalo vi ngalap ngan submit wat kadur video i tang page nadin jong kani kemarten da ka tu ka nyot ka belong general waste ru kala slay lupa tu kenro jong kemarten kala tam tem ta sakini ngalo vi kat no tam kana pen snew ya kamar yang bat kat no ka pen ka bu ha ka jingma ya ka ko khia ting kan da kepat lane ngira banjur ya kani baka sarkar kan sip khia kani ka banta namar balai ngano ipi ngalawan ski bun kinong tre dang te ki bayu pang lese ko madong ipi hagi babun rekom pat ki pang tibi ngano ipi ngalawan mention ba ngayu i mar khmat ru ki batre hate bun sil umdei tang ba ki yo pang ki bala yap no ru namar ble ke jing kata jong tu ka ma ke jing snew tu ka jabo na tu dia mentah ding bajong kan ka biomedical waste ru ka tu ka jabo batuj bo dam site perkhat ki breu ki bayabam tu ki dok khana thi